Simpa is into solar home systems that we deploy in rural energy poor households using point of sale finance and doorstep service. But in order to deploy these solutions, the biggest barrier to that is the affordability and reach. In order to service the rural energy poor households, we have developed two core capabilities. Number one capability is the smart panel technology, which essentially is nothing but a smart IoT technology-based switch that is integrated into the smart panels, using which we can deploy the pay-as-you-go model. So the biggest challenge was to bring down the cost of the solution. And the second biggest challenge was availability of the network itself. So the remote areas of Orissa, Bihar and UP, the biggest challenge was getting the real-time connection and all the time, so that we can track the energy consumption, usage pattern and real-time activation and deactivation of the panel, basis their payment behavior. We partnered with Vodafone, Vodafone enabled this IoT platform, which then became a commercial proposition that we can deploy it at a very fractional cost, have the real-time control and charge customers basis their usage pattern and their convenience. The value addition by Vodafone is tremendous. One of the technical challenges was to have a robust embedded SIM that can be integrated into the back of the panel and yet withstand all the power and the heat that is generated. So this is where Vodafone found a very robust SIM that actually helped us overcome that challenge. The second piece is actually we need to now integrate with all these million devices out there in the field. And so this is where Vodafone has a very friendly user interface using which you can actually interact with these devices and get real-time data in a way that is meaningful to you. There are two impacts to that. One is the impact of the energy access itself that is given to the poor household. The second impact is the ability for a person to afford the system, which otherwise he cannot do that. Using this IoT-enabled platform technology, he can do that. So far, we have almost deployed 40,000 households, impacting more than 2 lakh people over 3 states, Orissa, Bihar and UP. We see a future where there is a Simpa panel powered by an IoT device enabled by Vodafone. Our aim is to deploy 1 million smart devices in rural India by 2019 with the help of Vodafone.